In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create footnotes in Obsidian so you can add citations, references, and extra explanations without cluttering your main notes. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian on your device and navigate to the vault where you want to work. You can either select an existing note or create a new one for practice. Once your note is open, begin drafting your main content. Look for a sentence that could benefit from additional information or a citation. This is where your footnote will connect. Place your cursor immediately after the word or sentence you want to reference, right where the footnote marker should appear. Then, type a footnote identifier using markdown syntax. For example, enter opening bracket, caret, the number 1, closing bracket. That's right after the text. Continue writing your note, inserting additional footnote references like a 2 or where a 3, wherever you need them. When you're ready to define those footnotes, scroll down to a blank line near the bottom of your document. For each identifier you used, type the matching opening bracket, caret, number, closing bracket, followed by a colon and a space, then your footnote text. For instance, this is the footnote text. Here you can include citations, explanations, links, or any relevant details. Repeat this for each additional identifier, making sure identifiers like 2 and I3 each have their own definition line. Once you've added all your footnotes, review the markdown syntax to confirm that every reference matches its definition exactly. Watch for typos or missing colons. Then switch to Reading View or Live Preview to see how the footnotes appear. Click on a footnote number in the note. Obsidian should jump you straight to the footnote section at the bottom. Many themes also provide a return link to navigate smoothly back to your main content. Test both directions to ensure the navigation works. Beyond these basics, footnotes are incredibly practical for research notes. Use them to cite books, articles, or websites, keeping your references organized. For technical terms, footnotes let you add definitions without interrupting the reading flow. In documentation, they provide extra details while keeping your instructions clean and easy to follow. To edit a footnote later, simply update the text in the definition line at the bottom, and the change reflects everywhere. Finally, read through your entire note to confirm all footnotes display correctly. By using footnotes consistently, you'll create cleaner, more professional notes throughout your Obsidian vault. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.